Cooking with Frankie and Meatball. Today, I'm going to make you some mussels in red sauce over some linguine. Let me tell you guys, I'm using a beautiful, beautiful seasoning called Zarlingo's Italian seasoning. I'm telling you, if you use this in your sauce, one seasoned sauce, I'm telling you, quick and easy and ready to go. If you have a recipe you want to share with Frankie and Meatball, please, here's my email address. Email me and I will give you a shout out on my video with your recipe. Mussels in red sauce, one of my favorites. I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to kick it up a bit with some red hot pepper flakes. I like my mussels in red different than my mussels in white sauce. So I like it a little spicy when it's in the red. So anyway, I'm going to start off with a half of onion. You know how to do the onion. You slice it down like this, right? Slice it nicey nice. Nicey nice. All right. Then through the middle. Now we just nicey nice. So how's everybody's summer, huh? I hope everybody had a great, beautiful, blessed summer. Let me tell you guys. So we just want to dice these up nice and small. I like to use 3 nice size garlic cloves. So you get your bed scraper, whatever you want to use. You can use your knife. But I want to use this. So I don't cut my fingers. I'd like to get back into playing guitar one of these days, right? So what you do, you get your thing right there like that. Put it, boom, give it a good smash, eh? Boom, boom. Look, the harder you hit it, the more you smash it, the less you gotta cut it, all right? Look how nice and smashed that is, huh? Look at that. Is that amazing or what? I'll tell you what, I gotta give it up to Robert Irvine. He's the one who showed me how to smash garlic, right? But I'm gonna tell you a secret. Chef Ann taught me to use this. It makes it much better. Because you can give it a nice smack. You don't got to worry about cutting your fingers, your hands, you know what I'm saying? What you want to do, after you smash your garlic, you want to chop it nice and fine, okay? I like it nicey. I like it nicey. I like it nicey. Who likes it nicey? Who? Well, you always got to sing while you dance. And when you dance, you gotta cook, you know what I'm saying? So we sing, we dance, we cook, we eat, we drink. Forget about it, right? We're gonna use the Zarlingo Italian seasoning. Even though we're gonna use the Zarlingo Italian seasoning, I still gotta do my fresh basil. Oh, Maron, the smell alone, forget it. Like I told you about the test, right? The meatball test, right? You get the girl. You say, here, smell this basil. If she pushes that basil away and she wants nothing to do with that basil, dump her, and dump her fast, because she failed the meatball test. If she smells it, like, oh my God, I love the smell of fresh basil, then guess what? She passed the meatball test. She might be one of your great ones. 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped basil, you know what I'm saying? But I love basil. You could go overboard with basil in this dish and it still will taste good. So don't worry. You ba-bing, ba-boom, ba-boom. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to go a little over the line. You want to roll it up, okay? See how I rolled it up? See? You put it down here, okay? Put your knife in the middle after you roll it up and go straight down. Boom. Go straight down, okay? Now just run your knife through it. Nicey. And that's it. But you know what? I like playing with knives. I'm just going to give it a nice little boom. You're going to need some Pinot Grigio. You got to taste it to make sure it's not poison. Make sure it tastes good, tastes fresh. I let this bottle breathe. Look, I got to taste it again, huh? You need some Pinot Grigio. Bada boom, bada bing. I'm telling you, this stuff will make you sing. Hey! You got your pan nice and hot with the olive oil. Okay, look at that. Nice and nice. See how it's rippling? That's when you know it's hot. So You want to get most of your onion, leave some on the side for the garnish on top. I love throwing onion on the top of my mussels in red. Madonna, you hear that? That's like music. You want to sweat this onion down before you put your garlic in, because you don't want your garlic to burn. You want to hit it with a pinch of salt and mix it up and let that sweat. And you could give it a pinch of black pepper. Let that sweat up. See how that was just about translucent, right? Look at that, very nice. Sweat it down with some olive oil, guys. Now you grab your garlic and you throw your garlic in there. Mix that up, let that sweat together, right? Now grab your 2 tablespoons of Zarlingo seasoning and just put that in there. Look at that. Oh my gosh, yes. That is love. You could just smell that as you put that in there. Oh my God, it smells so fresh. But yet, it is a dry seasoning. I'm telling you guys, it's nice, it's fresh. Look at that, guys. Let me tell you. Let's sweat that up a little more, huh? Make sure you keep moving it around, because you really don't want to burn your garlic, you know? I want to use the same tablespoon. This is a 2 tablespoon. So I'm going to throw 4 tablespoons of white wine in there. Deglaze the pan with that. Then I'm going to throw in a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Get everything all mixed good, guys. I'm telling you, forget about it. Look at that, very nice. You take your basil and throw it in. And you want to save some basil for garnish. Alright, that's mixed up pretty good. We're going to cover it and bring this sauce to a boil. We're going to lift the cover. We're going to lift the cover here and give it a nice little stir. Look at that. That just looks like love. I'm telling you, look at that. That looks like love, guys. We're going to cover this. I'm going to put about that much of pepper flakes in it. All right. If you want to put more, you could put more. I think I'm going to go with more. I like my sauce to have a nice little punch. All right, that sauce looks just about good. So I'm going to throw my mussels in there. Look at them mussels, beautiful. Now what you want to do is give it a nice little stir. Stir those mussels into that sauce. Look at that. Now, cover it. I'm going to give it another mix and another minute, and then dinner will be served. Oh yeah, it's time to serve dinner. Right, mussels are done. It's time to serve. Boom, guys, I'm telling you, bada boom, bada bing, this dish will make you sing. And it's all thanks to the Zarlingo seasoning. I'm telling you guys, if you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that bell notification button so you get notified every time I put out a new video. Guys, let me tell you, check out PhillyRockRadio.com. They play everything from the forefathers to the band mothers of rock. And don't forget, Thursday nights, live with Kevin and Johnny E. If you want to be on the next episode of Cooking with Frankie Meatball, you live local, I'm telling you guys, I will come to you. Email me, guys. And I'm going to tell you what, I can't stand to see this sit here any longer. I'm going to tell you what, guys. Until next time. Forget about it, eh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.